Hello everyone, I am Bulbul Gupta. First of all, happy 7th birthday रूबरू. मुझे रूबरू के बारे में पता चला थ्रू नेहा. एक्चुअली मैं एक इंटर्नशिप कर रही थी, वहाँ पे नेहा स्पीकर थी. वहीं से ही मुझे नेहा ने के बारे में पता चला एंड देन उन्होंने मुझे बताया रूबरू में कैसे पार्टिसिपेट करना एंड ऑल. फिर मैं वहीं से ही रूबरू का पार्ट बनी एंड it was really a great journey for me. And for me Rubaru is like rainbow, because as we all know that रेनबो में बहुत सारे कलर होते हैं. वैसे ही सेम रूबरू में बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली और बहुत ही अच्छे मेंटोर मिले जिन्होंने गाइड किया एंड बहुत नॉलेज इंक्रीज हुई, एनहांस हुई. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी रूबरू को अपना 7th बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए वर्चुअली, सो दैट हम लोग भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकें उसमें. एंड वो बहुत ही अच्छा वेरी गुड हो, वेरी एक्साइटिंग होगा हम लोगों के लिए. दैट्स ऑल.
Hello guys. I got introduced to Rubaru because of Nazneen. She was already working with Rubaru on some projects, Change Maker and other projects. So I was very fascinated by the work of Rubaru. That's how I got to know Rubaru. According to me, Rubaru is a family. It's a group of people who had similar mindset, but it's just that they got on a platform and they are doing amazing work and they are making Hyderabad more inclusive, more better, and they are empowering students so much. It's so good. I strongly recommend every student in Hyderabad to somehow just be a part of Rubaru's journey to enlighten themselves and just get to enjoy this feeling of contributing to the society in the most amazing. Rubaru should celebrate its 7th birthday by inviting all the people who have ever been part of Rubaru. If I were in Hyderabad, I would have definitely come for this unforgettable event, and then let them share the gist of whatever they learned and the gist of what they would like to see more from Rubaru. I mean, I wish all the best to Neha, to all the team of Rubaru. It is just amazing to be a part of this family. Bye.
Hello. I was introduced to Rubaru by Neha about 4.5 years back, and I got the opportunity to meet the whole team soon after that, and ever since it's been an extended family to me. Rubaru to me is a sense of belonging, a sense of happiness and unity. It's nothing but just positive vibes over it. It helps bring out the best in people and helps everyone grow in a really nice and fun way. Today being the 7th birthday of Rubaru, I wish the whole team and everyone associated, that's the members, the volunteers and everyone, a huge congratulations, and I wish they continue to do what they do best and celebrate this day by bringing out a lot of happiness and a lot of positive smiles on everyone's faces.
Happiest birthday to Rubaru for completing 7 years. I hope you get something fun to celebrate today. And how I got introduced to Rubaru is actually I was in an event where I was talking about my life journey. It was a birthday party where I thought about sharing my story in the open mic. That's then, in the audience I saw Amar and I met Neha, where she introduced me to the Changemaker Fellowship, and that's how we connected. Warmest wishes to everybody for bringing this for 7 years. What Rubaru is for me, it is the strongest, wisest, funniest and the most amazing platform for any change maker for the youth in India. A part that could never be unmatched with any other platforms that I have been. That is what Rubaru is for me. It's a family of loving people. And how I wish that Rubaru celebrates this birthday is, of course, with that full energy, with those youngsters, and with all of us. Thank you so much. Warmest wishes to everybody.
Introduced to Rubaru when I was a postgraduate student by my college administration, saying that there's a fellowship opportunity. And Rubaru for me is warmth, a safe space, friendship, love. And I think Rubaru should celebrate its birthday with a blast, being proud of itself on how long it has come in all these 7 years and achieved all those feats and have inspired a lot of young people and will keep inspiring in the future. Happy birthday, Rubaru. Proud to be the part of Rubaru family.
Hi, I'm Andrew, British Deputy High Commissioner, sitting in Hyderabad, and I first met Rubaru very soon after I arrived in the city in 2017. They were working with us on a project concerning community cohesion and interfaith. And what a great project it was. It continued for 3 years and it developed over 200 youth champions. So what Rubaru really means to me is that it is an organisation that really empowers young people in such a brilliant way and breaks down lots of myths and barriers that can perpetuate hate within our society. So how should Rubaru celebrate their birthday? Well, they should just continue doing the brilliant work that they do. Get as many of the youth champions together, of course, because they all love the party.
Happy 7th birthday, Rubaru. I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I could be part of this beautiful family. And I got introduced to Rubaru through my brother's friend, who is also Rashmi's friend, sort of a mutual friend. And I was looking for a job then, so he suggested my friend, I know a person who is working in Rubaru, so check out their website and things. So that's how I got into Rubaru, and it has been 1.5 years, and it has been a super crazy ride with this amazing fun bunch of people and such amazing youth out there. Rubaru now means more like a family to me, and I wish we could have celebrated this birthday together by having a small party and where we could also meet our youth we have been working with and share our stories together.
Hello everyone, I am Deepshika. I have been introduced to Rubaru by Rashmi to take my journey of Change Looms and Changemakers Fellowship 2020 and 2021. Rubaru is a place for me, it's a self-reflection space for me, as well as Rubaru is my home. And how should Rubaru celebrate its birthday is staying home, staying safe because it's COVID times. Having lots of online fun, and then party is still on, and always Rubaru has amazing years ahead. Wishing Rubaru happy 7 years. Thank you.
I had just shifted to Hyderabad and I was very energetic and very enthusiastic to start working for organizations that were working for causes that I was passionate about. That's when I came across Rubaru and I enrolled for their fellowship program, and it's just been an amazing journey, and I'm so grateful that I met Rubaru. Is a community of amazing people. It's a community of people who are passionate about the causes that they work towards. Rubaru for me is family.
Hello everyone. I've got 3 questions to answer. Question number 1, how I got introduced to Rubaru. Well, I got introduced to Rubaru in my late adolescence in early 2019 when Rashmi Didi and Vamshu Bhaiya visited my school for a magical workshop, and they have superbly burst out most of our myths and misconceptions that time. Question number 2. What Rubaru is for me? Well, for me, Rubaru is a feel of having someone face to face in an age of confusion, myths, and misconceptions. Rubaru is like a Vardhan for an adolescent. Having a team working with absolute perfection. So Rubaru is something that doesn't need words to define. It's a feel that comes within what Rubaru did for me and what Rubaru is doing for others. Is I feel it. And question number 3. How Rubaru should celebrate its birthday according to me? Well, in a context, Rubaru may has its birthday, but I think I take it as an achievement of a very successful and consistent 7 years of sensational performance. So Rubaru should celebrate its birthday by admiring and rewarding its Rubaru team because they have given their 100% for the betterment of the young adolescent. Thank you for your time.
Hello everyone, this is Farhana. I'm intern of YRC Youth Resource Center. First of all, I wish you a very happy 7th birthday of Rubaru to everyone, and I'm very excited to celebrate this birthday with you all, with all the team members. And I got introduced to Rubaru by watching social media and getting information from my friends and by watching posters and everything. And according to me, Rubaru is a very special place and very peaceful place for me. That I can say ki I'm very lucky to have this opportunity to be a part of Rubaru. And if I can say, the birthday we can celebrate in an offline mode only, because I didn't met to some of the team members. So I want to meet you all, and I can share my feelings, I can share my position, and I can meet to everyone, I can meet to each other. So that's the reason I want this in offline mode only. Thank you, and last, I wish you a very happy 7th birthday to everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Harshita. I work with Rubaru for 3 to 4 months in the last year. So first of all, congratulations to the whole team for completing 7 long years of its journey with Rubaru. I got introduced to Rubaru through Neha, I guess. I was attending one of the debates and she was also a part of it. And through that point, I got to know about the organization and followed it up. The special thing about Rubaru is that it's very inclusive. We get to learn and unlearn a lot of things by being a part of the programs that it conducts, and also by working with them. And I feel on this special occasion, the whole team should definitely meet up. I unfortunately cannot make it up, but everyone should meet up and pat their backs for accomplishing all this. And I really wish that it accomplishes much more, and cheers to its journey and all the best.
Hello, many congratulations to the entire team of Rubaru on its 7th birthday. I'm so excited about this 7th birthday celebration and very lucky to have been a part of the organization right from the beginning. So I got introduced to Rubaru through Prava, a Delhi-based organization, and Rubaru has been an incredibly powerful space for me, experiencing the journey of youth, of young people, and seeing how amazingly transformative this space can be. I think this birthday should be celebrated with lots of fun, lots of love, and with a virtual party with all of our family, friends, and people who have been with Rubaru in all the different ways over the last 7 years. And I'm so excited to be a part of the celebrations, looking forward to meeting so many incredible people that have been a part of Rubaru's journey.
Everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Imtiaz. I got to know about Rubaru through Ismail and through the program Circle of Stories. For me, Rubaru is a teacher who introduced me to many new things, and Rubaru also helped me to know about myself. I think you people should celebrate by conducting a virtual meet where all people will be joining using their pseudonyms, which could be the name of their favorite food.
Hi everyone, this is Kirtana. Congratulations Rubaru. Rubaru has completed a 7 years of journey. Oh my god, it's really great. Happy 7th birthday Rubaru. I have joined this organization through my lecturer Srilata ma'am. She said that this is a best organization where you can explore yourself a lot and you can change your lifestyle a lot. Yeah, it's true. I have changed myself a lot and I have explored the world. I have joined this organization with a program called Rubaru with Gender, where it gives many experience and many memories. I have learned a lot by this organization. I'm feeling like it's my family. Yeah, yes, Rubaru is like a family for me. And thank you Manisha, Neha, Shabir, for giving me a great platform to explore myself. Thank you so much. And it's the 7th birthday. Yeah, we have to celebrate it. I think all the alumni people has to come together and we have to celebrate a birthday in a great way. And birthday means cake cutting. Cake cutting has to be must. Thank you so much.
Go.
Hi, Mahima here. I'm Youth Champion 2019 and Changemaker 2020 at Rubaru, and here we are celebrating 7 years of Rubaru. Congratulations guys, I'm so happy. I got introduced to Rubaru because of campus. I was from HCO and a previous Changemaker reached out to me, one of the Changemakers, so that's how I got to know. And I've been hearing a lot through Suparna and through Firefly community as well. And I think Rubaru means something to me that is not easy to explain because it's something very far away from me physically, but it makes me feel so warm and home-like. I think we all should celebrate Rubaru's birthday by having some kind of youth fest where we do something for youth, by youth, to youth. So yeah, I'm looking forward to meeting you all very soon. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, this is Mani Mukesh. So back in 2017, I was in my college. It was a normal day. Suddenly my English lecturer, she comes to me and she asked me if I want to be a part of the workshop that's going on in our college. I didn't know what it was, but I still went and I met Monisha, Shubi, Rashmi, Hema and a bunch of youth champions. That was a workshop going on for a program called Agazi Batchit. I didn't even know what Rubaru meant, what Agazi Batchit meant, but I just wanted to be there and be a part of this workshop and the program because of the positive vibe and energy they bring in, and that's how I got introduced to Rubaru. Right from that day, I have been part of various workshops and programs with Rubaru. We have done many programs and all. I've met many people who have been my friends and who are still my friends, and in fact the thickest of friends I have in my life right now were introduced because of Rubaru, like actively or passively. I got to know them because of Rubaru. And what is Rubaru to me is, Rubaru taught me many things which my college didn't teach me or could not teach me anyhow. So Rubaru is like a university to me, and I've met really amazing people and I've learned a lot of skills. I'm really thankful for Rubaru, Monisha and the whole team and the volunteers, everybody involved with Rubaru for bringing that vibe and energy and adding so much. Each one of us, we all add so much value, and that has made Rubaru what it is today. And this is the 7th birthday, and it's time we celebrate Rubaru as an organization and celebrate each of us being a part, and it's a time to celebrate. I think it would be more fun if we all could meet offline and celebrate and party like as usually we do in Rubaru with Rubaru event.
Hi, Rubaru family. Hi, everyone. I wish, first of all, like a very big happy birthday to my Rubaru family. And I miss you guys very, very badly. I miss my Rubaru family, whole entire everyone, each and everyone there. First of all, Nina Srilata Amma, English department, Srilata ma'am, thanks to Kali because she forced us to go to the first workshop which we have done in Manu. దాని తర్వాత రూబరుతో ట్రావెల్ దట్ టాట్ మీ వెరీ వెరీ వాల్యుబుల్ థింగ్స్ విచ్ హెల్ప్ మీ అ లాట్. రూబరు అనేది నాకు ఒక పెద్ద చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యామిలీ లాగా. లైక్ ఇట్ నెవర్ ఎండ్స్, ఇట్స్ గోస్ ఆన్ అండ్ లైక్ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ లైక్ అందరూ ఉంటేనే సెలబ్రేషన్స్. రూబరులో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఉంటే అండ్ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ బిగ్ సెలబ్రేషన్. ఇట్ మేక్స్ ఆల్వేస్ లైక్ సో ఈ బర్త్డేకి ఐ విష్ everyone will be there together and I will be a part of it because I really miss everyone. I really wanted to meet each and every person in my Rubaru family. Like చాలా ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 1 year నుంచి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చి కలిసి. కోవిడ్ వల్ల ఎవరు లేరు ఇక్కడ. సో I really miss you guys. So I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone there because మీ వల్ల నా సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అనేది బాగా పెరిగింది. ఫస్ట్లో ఉన్న కల్పన and that was happening because of my family there. Each and every person sitting and seeing me and నేను ఈరోజు I can say like I'm really a very independent girl standing on my legs, being bold, being brave and working
I
hard.
got introduced to Rubaru through a friend of my mom's who told me about the Writing Through Crisis program for which I applied and got selected, and now I'm with Rubaru as an intern where we are developing a curriculum
Hi, this
about
is
the
Kashish and
sustainable
I'm the
development
part of
goals for school
Rubaru
students.
alumni. And
I
happy birthday
really
to Rubaru,
appreciate
happy 7th
what
birthday.
Rubaru does and
And I
especially
wish
the way
lots
it
of
does that
adventures to
because
you.
I think there's a
So,
strong focus
let's
on
begin
providing a
with the
safe space for
surprise.
young people
First,
to
how
talk
I
about
got
their
introduced
feelings,
to
their
Rubaru.
emotions,
That was
and
because
their
of my
views
best
and
friend.
opinions.
He introduced
Something
me
that I
to the
experienced
space
in the
and I
Writing
think
Through
I
Crisis
fell in
program
love.
where we were encouraged to share
What
our
is
emotions
Rubaru to me?
and thoughts about the pandemic
Okay,
and
that is a
even
very
with the
complicated
internship
question.
because
It just
I am
doesn't have
really
one answer. But I
pushed
think I
to
would sum it up in a
think
sense
about
that
creative
Rubaru is a
things and
space,
really
space
sort of
where I can like
push myself.
explore
So
and
that is
talk
something
and
that I
learn
appreciate a
and
lot.
educate,
And for
and it's
Rubaru's
just
birthday,
helped me
I
a lot
think
grow
that
up.
they should
And
really
how should
celebrate
Rubaru celebrate their birthday?
together
I think
and
they should
celebrate
have
their own
all
work
their volunteers,
and
all their
celebrate the
participants,
individuals who are
just
part of
everybody
Rubaru
part of the
because
foundation
I think the
together,
work that
and
they're doing
all
is
of this
very
meet
important
and
and the kind
socialize
of
and then
safe space that
plan
they
new
provide to
projects,
young
and
people and the
that's how we
encouraging
move
environment
forward
that
and
they
keep in
provide is
touch. Thank
something that
you.
is required
Bye.
more and more in today's world, and Rubaru should really um, pat themselves on the back for the kind of work they're doing, and youngsters like me are very proud of that.
Hey everyone, happy 7th birthday to Rubaru. So firstly, I want to congratulate everyone for giving me the most memorable and the most cherishable time at Rubaru. The 6 months that I interned at Rubaru have just been amazing, and not just because it's my first internship ever, it's also because how close connected the Rubaru fam is, and I was so blessed to become a part of it. And also, I'm really thankful to how close I got with each of the members and got to know them individually as a person too. I got to know about Rubaru in 2020 through the ELF message which was circulated on WhatsApp. I wanted to join back then, but I couldn't join due to various reasons. So I joined in 2021, and since then it's just been an amazing journey. Really wish and look forward to working with you guys again. Hope you have fun today. Just have some cake, chill together, watch a movie, or maybe binge watch K-drama, listen to K-pop because so many of the core team members are into it. Hope you guys have a fun day. Fighting. Good day.
Hello everyone, I am Ismail Begum. How I know Rubaru is through Rubaru's project, Youth Resource Center, which is set up in our community. That's how I came to know about Rubaru. To me, Rubaru is like a home because I feel peaceful, relaxed there. For me, Rubaru is a space like a relaxing space to me because it gave opportunities to me to meet new people and to get to know about them. It gave many people relationships. That's why I feel Rubaru is a home to me. How Rubaru can celebrate its birthday is like by cherishing and recollecting the memories that Rubaru has made during these 7 years. Thank you.
Hi. So, always an interesting how I got introduced to Rubaru. I think it was an idea, and the fact that this idea has now become so much more 7 years later. I think that was the seed of Rubaru, and of course coming together with Neha, Hima, and the board, and figuring out what is it that we're trying to do with young people in Hyderabad. That's how we got introduced to Rubaru. What does Rubaru mean to me? I think when I always close my eyes and think of Rubaru, I always think of all the conversations with the young people that I've had as part of programs, as part of just meeting so many young people in colleges, or I think it's that conversation that really stays with me, where it's a chance to get to know about young people. And according to me, how Rubaru should celebrate his birthday, I think is just like this. I think it's very interesting that alumni have come together to say, let's do something, and none of us even knew what was happening in this entire thing. We were just asked these 3 questions and we had to respond, and I think this is a great way when we are able to see that alumni themselves come together to lead ideas, lead change, and just build that community build a nurturing community together. Yeah, happy birthday to you.
Who is a guide, teacher, and moreover a friend to me. Why I said guide? Because wherever I struck at a point in my journey, they stand back of me and they pushed me friend, and they given me help in each and every way. While it is a friend to me because when I was needing support from them, they supported me, give support to me. And why I said that teacher, like they teacher has many things. Really, I learned many more new things from Rubaru, and I also learned that how should I take stand when there was a need. When there was born Rubaru to celebrate their 7th birthday is nothing but just bring all of us to a platform and celebrate the thing, because I especially want to take part in this journey, and I want Rubaru to grow more and more day by day and help more people to come out like us, and do more service to the society and make more new change ideas and support more change makers or anyone. I always trust that Rubaru is the best thing which happened.
Hi Rubaru! Happy birthday! Congratulations on completing 7 whole years to the entire team of Rubaru. 7 years of changing lives, of educating people and making the world a better place, one program at a time. I am so proud to be a part of this journey that you've had, to have contributed a very tiny bit to whatever place you're at right now. I got introduced to Rubaru through Amar while we were both working as volunteers with another foundation for COVID relief. I was instantly drawn to the ELF or MLMF program because I hadn't ever seen anything like it. I did not know people were actually doing something to make a change, but here I am a year later being an alumni and talking about Rubaru. It's been a wonderful experience. I can fairly say that my life has not been the same ever since this happened. I think that birthdays or anniversaries are one of the best times to actually take a look back, see how far you've come, see how many lives you've touched, and pat yourself on the back for the great job done. So I think you should celebrate your birthday with a proper full show reel of where you started from and where you're now, and everything you've been through ever since. It's gonna be great to take a look back. Sending you lots of love, Rubaru. Hoping to be associated with you for a long, long time. Happy birthday!
So 2018 में रूबरू से रूबरू होने का मौका मिला था, जिसमें मोनिशा और शुभी से मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन हुआ था, और प्रभा दिल्ली टीम के सपोर्ट से हम रूबरू से कनेक्ट हुए थे थ्रू फॉर वन ऑफ द इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम.
Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, adab. So this is your Rakesh Raju from Rubaru. So I'm so excited for #Rubaru's 7th birthday, and I would just like to share a few things about my experience with Rubaru on this auspicious occasion. So to begin with, my journey with Rubaru started as a fellow. I started my journey as a fellow through ELF or MLMF, Emerging Leaders Fellowship for My Life Mere Faisle. And from there on, I went on to facilitate a lot of programs, and now I currently, work as an intern at Rubaru. And if I have to define the space of Rubaru, it's a very safe space for me where I can actually be myself, and also an explorative space where I can explore myself in a more better way. And for me, if I have to say how Rubaru should celebrate its 7th birthday, I would definitely want all the Rubaru family members to gather at one place and shout happy birthday Rubaru. Thank you.
Happy birthday Rubaru. So excited to be part of this. Hi, I'm Rishi. I got introduced to Rubaru through Instagram. One of my college seniors used to share Rubaru posts, which I really liked, and then I started following Rubaru. Later, I've applied for ELP, and that's how I got into the Rubaru universe. And Rubaru is something which brought peace into my life when I needed the most. So it will always hold a very special place in my life. So glad that I'm working here, and I think we should celebrate this birthday where all of us come together and meet. Just the whole alumni comes together and meet everybody else. Yeah.
Hi, this is Sai. My journey started with Rubaru is from the Devarkonda Foundation. For me, Rubaru is feel like a family. We get knowledge from here, and I feel Rubaru is a book where we get all the knowledge. So for me, it's a Rubaru itself. Here we get a lot of opportunities, and whatever the emergency we have, not only in the state, we help it, not only in the Telangana, we help all over the India, like Delhi, Mumbai, Haryana, Telangana. In this journey, I feel very happy and so excited to be a part of in this Rubaru team. Keep loving Rubaru and make this anniversary grand success.
Well, happy birthday Rubaru. It's all started in 2018 with Youth in Campaign against fake news, and it's been tremendous 3 years with Rubaru, and Changemaker's journey is something which is very close to my heart, and it have changed my world of my persuasion and my ideas, ideologies, and all. I should actually thank my mentor Shubhi for whatever she did, and I should also thank everyone who have been part of this Changemaker's journey for me. And it become a very great family extend for me, and Rubaru has become an extended family for me now. And then coming out, how do we celebrate Rubaru's birthday? It's like we all should throw a party right now, which means we need to get Ghar Wapasi back.
Hi, I'm Satvik Kupali, a third year medical student. I've been introduced to Rubaru through a medical student organization called SIMSA, South Indian Medical Students Association. I've initially asked to take a class on mask hygiene and hand wash hygiene during the COVID-19 pandemic. So since then I've been working with Rubaru, and it is a blast. So for me, Rubaru is a place where everyone can learn with fun. Even me, who take classes for kids, have to go back to my basics, learn everything, and make sure I'm perfect before I teach anything. And even everyone down there at the centers are so enthusiastic and so fun learning in nature. So Rubaru is like the fun place of learning. So according to me, Rubaru should celebrate its 7th birthday with everyone who has so far contributed to Rubaru, and every person who is involved in Rubaru.
Hi, hello, namaste. Nenu Shirisha. I'm from Nalgonda district. సో ఈరోజు రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ బర్త్డే. ఈ రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ 2014లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఈ రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే సొసైటీలో ఉన్న చిన్న చిన్న సమస్యలు అవే మనకి ఒక రకమైన ప్రభావితాన్ని చేస్తాయి. అవే భవిష్యత్తులో వాటిని మనం ఇప్పుడు నివారించకపోతే భవిష్యత్తులో అవి ఎదిగి పెద్దగా అయిపోతాయి. సో మన ఈ రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నుంచి సొసైటీలో యువత వాళ్ళకున్న ఆలోచనల్ని, సొసైటీలో వాళ్ళకి కనిపిస్తున్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని అన్నిటినీ వెతికి పెట్టి ఒక యువతకి ఎలాంటి ఐడియాలజీ ఉంది, వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా ఈ సొసైటీకి సర్వీస్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు, అలాంటి వాళ్ళని వడిసి పట్టి వాళ్ళకి కొంత అమౌంట్ ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళని ఈ ఫెలోషిప్, వాళ్ళకి ఒక ఫెలోషిప్ ఇచ్చి ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ లాగా సొసైటీలో ఒక మంచి సర్వీస్ని చేయడానికి రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నుంచి మంచి ఫెలోషిప్స్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ 2014లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. నాకు 2019లో రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నుంచి మా కాలేజ్కి వచ్చారు. మీకు ఎలాంటి ఐడియాలజీ ఉందని చెప్పారు. నా ఐడియాలజీ వచ్చేసి సొసైటీలో సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేషనల్ ఐడియాలజీ లేక చాలామంది సూసైడ్ చేసుకుని చనిపోతున్నారు, ముఖ్యంగా స్టూడెంట్స్. వాళ్ళకి సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేషనల్ క్లాసెస్ తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. అలా నా ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి నెవర్ గివ్ అప్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ రూబరు, రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్. మీరు మంచి ఆలోచనలతో మీరు ముందుకు వస్తూ యువతని ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తూ సొసైటీలో ఎలాంటి సేవలు అందించాలి అనేది మీరు మాకు ఇస్తున్న ఈ మంచి అవకాశం బట్టి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే రూబరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్.
Hi friends, this is Shakil, one of the change maker at Rubaru. Rubaru నాకు త్రూ అర్షద్ బ్రదర్, ఫేస్బుక్ త్రూ అర్షద్ బ్రదర్ పరిచయం అయ్యారు. దాని ద్వారా రూబరు గురించి ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అయ్యింది నాకు. సో హౌ ఇట్ వర్క్స్ అన్నది. అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ రూబరు ఫర్ మీ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఒక చీకటి రాజ్యానికి వచ్చిన వెలుతురు లాంటిది అన్నమాట. లైక్ ఎందుకు ఇలా అంటున్నాను అని అంటే, బిఫోర్ ఎంటరింగ్ ఇన్ టు రూబరు ఫీల్డ్ అండ్ రూబరు గురించి తెలియనప్పుడు కంటే ఆఫ్టర్ బీయింగ్ ఏ చేంజ్ మేకర్ అండ్ ద ఫెలోషిప్ జర్నీ around 1.5 year and my other change makers and వాళ్ళ ideas and each and everything he has inspired me more. It's a junction, like every idea, Rubaru is a junction, there every idea will connect each other. So ఆ విధంగా it helped me more and more in my life and in my career building. And Rubaru should celebrate like his birthday like అమేజింగ్లీ. యాక్చువల్గా అక్కడ ప్రజెంట్లో లేము కాబట్టి జస్ట్ ఈ వీడియోస్ త్రూ మాట్లాడాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ ఈ దేర్ రియల్లీ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి మోర్ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు సెలబ్రేట్ Rubaru birthday. And thank you once again for all entire Rubaru team and wish you a happy very birthday to you Rubaru. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Shreya and I have been facilitating the health and hygiene sessions at Rubaru for the past 3 to 4 months, and it has been a lovely experience. The kids have become a very important part of my life, and I look forward to every single Wednesday that we hold these sessions along with my co-facilitator. And I just have to say a big happy birthday to Rubaru, and to continue doing the wonderful and amazing job that you do, and to continue creating more well-built and well-rounded individuals for the future.
Hi, this is Sirisha. So tomorrow is Rubaru's 7th birthday. I'm wishing you all the best for the new projects and everything. And yes, I got introduced to the Rubaru through an essay writing activity through my college. So after that, it got started my journey in the Rubaru, and it's really an amazing experience to join in Rubaru and have activities in the Rubaru with different people, different activities. Those all helped me in exploring myself and everything, and new things were learned everywhere in the world. But the Rubaru is the place where new things were learned through activities, and it's really a fun learning activity. And Rubaru is like a very good experience for me, which I carry throughout my life. And Rubaru is celebrating a birthday as 7th, but I think Rubaru should celebrate each day as a birthday, because it's always a newborn activities every day and newborn celebrations every day. So I think the Rubaru should celebrate each day as a birthday, because through different activities, different fun learning things, different people who comes and join in Rubaru every day. So wishing you all the best for the upcoming projects, and Rubaru should explore more things with more people. Bye-bye.
Hello, this is Varun. I have been associated with Rubaru for 7 months now. A friend pulled me in and I never went back. Amulya, if you're watching this, I will be always thankful to you for giving me this opportunity, because Rubaru is this one place where I seek my purpose from. Though our jobs fill our pockets, working with Rubaru has been absolute pleasure and soul-filling to me. Overall, it's gives me the sense of credibility that I'm working towards a collaborative goal and making the world better one day at a time with my fellow facilitators and the core team. And on the occasion of Rubaru's 7th birthday, I think it should pull in all the core team, the alumni, the backend team, everyone who has been part of Rubaru ever since, and host a open mic or something like that. Create a vibe space where everyone can perform, explore, meet new people, and just celebrate. That's it.
Hola, this is King Vignan Joseph. I got introduced to Rubaru through an alumni of the program and Amar. For me, Rubaru is a place where there are no judgments. As of how to celebrate, let's meet.
Come on, who don't know about Rubaru? Okay, jokes apart. They were part of our incubation program, that's how I know them. We did work on some projects together. They did a fabulous job. Rubaru for me is one of the few honest change makers I have seen. A bunch of passionate guys who want to bring a change in the society. You guys should get 7 gigs with different flavors to celebrate.
Okay, so Amar, I don't know like which part you need to put, but I'll just make sure that I answer the questions you have mentioned. Actually, I wanted to do it last night, but I was a little busy, so I'm doing it now. So the first question is how I got introduced to Rubaru. So I came to know about Rubaru when I was in college. I think I was in my first year of my college. Yes, and some of them came to our college campus and they seemed so cool. Like they were doing some crazy activities in our college campus, and I was like, dude, this is crazy. Like I haven't seen something like this before in my campus happening. So let's just go and join that thing. And when I approached them and came to know that those people are coming from some sort of NGO, and like initially I didn't know like what's happening or what they actually do, but I just went there to explore, to be honest, to understand like what's happening and stuff like that. But later on it turned out to be a very great decision. yeah, so that's how I came to know about Rubaru. So the next question is, what is Rubaru for me? So for that, I think Rubaru has taught me a lot of things, and I think if you ask me what is Rubaru for me, then I think it's something which has taught me a lot of things, a lot of ethics, a lot of values, to be honest, which I haven't learned anywhere in school, college, wherever, like, educational institute I've gone to, and the skills which is actually required and must be learned by everyone. Topics like gender, sex, sexuality, and I think these are things which should be there in every curriculum or academics, but this is something which I have personally learned from Ruburu, and I'm always grateful for that. So next question is, how should Ruburu celebrate its birthday? So the greatest memories I have with the Ruburu is our trip to Vishakhapatnam, to be honest. So I think if they want to celebrate like in a very huge way, they could take us to some crazy trips again. Being a travel lover, I think that is something which would unite everybody and just cherish all the moments. So yeah, that is something which I feel Ruburu can celebrate.
The first person I met in Rubaru is Neha. I met her in a meetup in Birla Planetarium by YLAC, and she connected me with Nishant. So what is Rubaru to me? Rubaru is a very positive space filled with open-minded good people. And how should Rubaru celebrate its birthday? Rubaru's USP is to cheer people in a positive way and inspiring. So it should bring together everyone and then do the same thing and inspire us more. So yeah.
So I got introduced to Rubaru through my college, and Rubaru, the term itself, I think it is open to perception, and for me it means coming face to face, whether that is within yourself or with other people or other things around you. So yeah, Rubaru for me it means coming face to face. And how should Rubaru celebrate the birthday? I think they're celebrating in a great way with the alumni meet. So yes, remembering memories, looking forward to what's coming next, and just living in the moment, breathing a little, and reminding ourselves of how far we've come. I think that is a great way to celebrate the birthday.
Hello, how are you all? Yes, I'm Amar, as you all know, also known as Mohan Sai, and yeah, very excited to be part of this surprise activity. And how I know about Rubaru, I think few of already our alumni shared, just like how they shared same with me. My English department lecturer, when Rubaru came to our college and decided to do Aage Se Baatcheet workshop, and my English department HOD was like, the workshop hall was not enough with strength of students, so I'll cancel your exams, you go and fill the room. So I was like, okay, when there is opportunity to get out of the exam hall, then definitely I'll take it. And I went and see what happened. I mean, one examination cancelled brought me here in front of you all. I'm so happy. I mean, more than happy. I think I'm satisfied with myself, what I am today and what I will be. That's how I came to know about Rubaru initially. And what is Rubaru to me? I think it's very I feel it's very my own thing. Why a human or why a person should be non-judgmental, or why a person should be inclusive, and the kind of happiness you get when you be inclusive, all these things. I think these are my major takeaways from the space. And yeah, that's and Rubaru is fully, for me, it means people, with people, by people, for people, to people. And celebration, I think, yeah, what all you said, like most of you said, celebrating with together, yes, that's what maximum we can think of. Maybe bringing all of our program experiences, project experiences with Rubaru, social action projects, sharing, talking to each other. I think those games which we get in workshops, oh my god. With all those things, I think we should celebrate Rubaru birthday. And once again, many more great ends of the day. And yeah. Once again, hi. I think thank you so much. Thank you so much. Since yesterday, I was coordinating fully with you, night, evening, afternoon, morning, for all the supportive inputs that I needed for this surprise to happen. And thank you so much. I think I have also enjoyed since this process began. And yeah, I mean, I would like to extend my thanks with all of our alumni, starting from interns, very beginning interns, all the program alumni participants, stakeholders, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and so on. All the stakeholders who have been supportive, and all the mentors who have been sharing their beautiful journeys with us, adding value to us. And yeah, thank you so much. And